Boys and girls, I was at the toy clearance table and I found this Sing-Along Boombox. How many of you like to sing out there? Oh, this is going to be good. Sing along to Wheels on the Bus, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Bath Song, Yes, Yes, Vegetables, ooh, vegetables, and No, No, Bedtime Song. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we're going to be pulling out a boombox. Is there anything else in there? No, it's empty. Oh, look at that! Isn't that adorable? A watermelon. Here's the microphone. Oh boy, you have a little ladybug on the microphone. This is so cute. I can see why they said we're going to be singing the vegetable song, because we have some things that have to do with vegetables here. Let's see. There's different songs on each button, boys and girls. Eating.
Yes, I want to eat my peas.
Okay, that's like that vegetable song, boys and girls. Wheels on the bus go round and round.
All through the town.
So here's our sing-along boombox for unboxing educational toys. Boys and girls, use your microphone to sing My Fruit and Vegetable song from A to Z. Sing along. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cucumber. D. D is for dandelions. E. E is for eggplant. F. F is for figs. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for honeydew. I is for iceberg lettuce. J. J is for jicama. K. K is for kale. L. L is for lemon. Are you using your microphone on your boombox to sing along? M is for mango. N is for nectarine. O is for onion. P is for pineapple. Q. Oops, no fruit or vegetable. Are you still singing along with us? Keep it up. R. R is for radish. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tomato. U. U is for upland cress. V. V is for Valencia orange. W. W is for watermelon. X. Oops, no fruit or vegetable. Y. Y is for yam. Z. Z is for zucchini. You are smarter, boys and girls.